Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to activate AT&T prepaid phone from Walmart. So let's get started. The process is quick and simple. You just have to follow me till the end. So let's get started. Start by unboxing your phone and inserting the AT&T SIM card included in the box. Many Walmart AT&T prepaid phones come with the SIM pre-installed and may activate automatically once powered on. You just have to follow any on-screen setup prompts. If your phone does not auto-activate, open a browser and visit the mentioned link. Select Activate your AT&T Prepaid website, enter your SIM card number, your phone's IMEI and your zip code. Then choose your prepaid plan from the available option. Once done, if your phone includes a special Walmart offer or promo, it may appear automatically or ask for a promo code during setup. Create your AT&T Prepaid account by entering your name, email address and setting up a 4-digit PIN. Then complete your payment using a debit or credit card or a refill card purchased from Walmart. Then you will receive a confirmation text once your phone is successfully activated and ready to use. If you experience any issues, you can visit your local Walmart with your receipt or contact AT&T Prepaid support directly. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.